That's what his sounds like? We gotta see what mine sounds like now.
Yeah.
He did and built it. Yeah. It's a water craft. I think it was like a raft for Tom Sawyer on the river.
Right, yep. It's perfect for around in here.
Yeah. We put in the boat over there on the other side of the river and just keep over here.
There you go.
Yeah. Lots of fun. Very deep too.
So the pontoon boat is in the middle of a repower. I'm taking it off the John boat. 18.5 horse Oppie on a Mercury. We're going to put it on the pontoon boat. Take that one off. So I'm right here with the homemade barrel boat, and I put a bigger kicker on it, trying to get a little more speed. This one ran great, except for when it gets hot, it don't want to start. It's an 18.5 horse Oppie and a Mercury foot. Anyway, I believe it must be a carburetor issue. If we come down here, I need to get this thing running. In 2 days I'm supposed to go to the springs. So I'm going to change the carburetor. If that don't work, we'll just change the engine. Brand new. If that don't do it, we'll just swap out the engine. The old carburetor is now off. Let me show you a before and after. Here's the before and after. The only thing I should do is go get some new hose for this one. This old hose is super stiff. We'll see. The new gas hose is on. I put a new clamp on it. If we come around, it comes out this side, but just got to hook the tank up to it now. The kill switch does not work. I don't know how to kill it. Yeah, it does work. Alright, sounds like it's ready to go. Maybe I'll try to start it again for you. Hang on just a second. So I'm at the pontoon boat getting ready for tomorrow's trip, and I came back from the P.O. Box, Chud 327, P.O. Box 687, Callahan, Florida 32011. Anyway, Georgie sent me a gift card, $25 to Denny's, and a happy birthday card. Nice. I just got the registration for the boat. It expired yesterday. Anyway, that goes there. Then we'll be legal for tomorrow's trip. And it was $21.50 if you're wondering to renew the boat sticker. So one of the last times I went out, I said something about this boat needs a cup holder. I just took some leftover diamond plate. This cup holder is out of the other boat, the John boat. I'm gonna go back here and mount it on the railing right about here. Hang on, I'll show it to you when it's finished. And there we have one custom cup holder fully installed, ready to go. That'd be good for drinks, hooks, sinkers, whatever. Tow rig.